In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vestiaire collective account. If you've decided to part ways with this luxury fashion resale platform, I'll guide you through each step for a smooth deactivation process. So, let's get started on this digital house cleaning journey. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Type in Vestiaire Collective in the search bar and hit enter. You should see a list of search results. Look for the one that usually sits right at the top of the page. That's the official website of Vestiaire Collective. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to their homepage. Once you've landed on the front page of Vestiaire Collective, the next step is to securely sign into your account. Look towards the top right of the page and you'll spot a sign-in button. Click there and input your login details, your email, and your password. And just a little tip, make sure those details are correct to avoid any login hassles. Having logged in successfully, you should now be on your account's home page. Focus your attention again to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or possibly your name. Give that a click. This will lead you to a drop-down menu or a dedicated page full of options related to your profile settings. From here, we're moving ahead to another crucial part, navigating to account settings. In this section, you'll find various options for managing your profile. Look through these settings and find the option labeled Account Settings. Click on it to enter a new menu. Now in your account settings, scroll until you find the option that allows you to delete your account. It might take a bit of scrolling depending on how your page is laid out, but look for the text that reads Delete Account. This is your next destination, but don't worry, simply locating this option doesn't mean your account is deleted just yet. After you found the Delete Account option, click on it. This will lead you to a confirmation screen. Vestiaire Collective wants to ensure that this is absolutely the action you wish to take. You'll see a button that states, I confirm I want to delete my account. Click on that if you are sure about this decision. Finally, to seal the deal, click on the final Delete Account button you encounter. And with that last click, your Vestiaire Collective account will be scheduled for deletion. Make sure that you're absolutely certain, since this may stop access to any purchased items, current transactions, or any pending sales. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to deleting your Vestiaire Collective account. Thank you for joining me today, and if this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more instructional content. Have a wonderful day.